Building wealth and achieving financial stability is a goal that many aspire to but often find challenging to navigate. Fortunately, there is a wealth of knowledge available in the form of books, written by financial experts and successful investors. These books offer valuable insights, practical advice, and proven strategies to help you take control of your financial future. Welcome back to Verse and Volume. In today's video, we're diving into the world of finance with a curated list of the best books on investing and wealth building that you need to read at least once in your lifetime. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to deepen your understanding of money management, these books offer invaluable insights and strategies to help you achieve financial success. So sit back, relax, and let's explore these literary treasures together. 1. Unshakable by Tony Robbins. Originally published 2017. You don't have to predict the future to win the investment game. If you focus on what you can control, you can be the master of your investment fate. Control what you can control. You need to learn the rules of the financial game, who the players are, what their agendas are, where you can get hurt, and how you can win. 2. Rich Habits by Thomas Corley. Originally published 2010. What you do every day matters. So if you want to build wealth, start by reevaluating your daily habits. The metaphor I like is the avalanche. These habits are like snowflakes. They build up, and then you have an avalanche of success. 3. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Originally published 2009. There aren't any secrets to getting rich. All it takes are small steps, a bit of discipline, and a willingness to simply get started on managing your money. Getting started is more important than becoming an expert. Too many of us get overwhelmed thinking we need to manage our money perfectly, which leads us to do nothing at all. That's why the easiest way to manage your money is to take it one step at a time and not worry about being perfect. 4. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Originally published 1997. Knowing the difference between an asset, something that puts money in your pocket, and a liability, something that takes money out of your pocket, is the single most important distinction to recognize if you want to get rich. The long-term rich build their asset column first. Then the income generated from the asset column buys their luxuries. The poor and middle class buy luxuries with their own sweat, blood, and children's inheritance. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Originally published 2007. The simplest and most efficient investment strategy is to invest in low-cost index funds. Investing is all about common sense. Owning a diversified portfolio of stocks and holding it for the long term is a winner's game. 6. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Originally published 1926. You probably won't get rich quick, but you'll get rich if you pay yourself first, put that money to work, and stick to long-term thinking. I found the road to wealth when I decided that a part of all I earned was mine to keep. And so will you. 7. The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. Originally published 2003. You don't need a budget, you don't need to make a lot of money, and you don't even need willpower to accumulate a fortune. All you need to do is put your finances on autopilot. The one way to create lasting financial change that will help you build real wealth over time is to make your financial plan automatic. 8. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin, Joe Dominguez, and Monique Tilford. Originally published 1992. You exchange your time for money, so start thinking about how many hours of your life it took to save up the money to buy something, and ask yourself questions like, how much of my life did I trade for this? And is it worth it? Money is something we choose to trade our life energy for. 9. How Rich People Think by Steve Siebold. Originally published 2013. Anyone can become a millionaire. The secret isn't in the mechanics of money, but in the level of thinking that generates it. I interviewed rich people because I wanted to be rich. What I discovered was, to get rich, I had to learn to think like a rich person. Once I changed my thinking, the money started to flow. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Originally published 1937. Mastering your money has more to do with mindset and overcoming psychological barriers than anything else. At the end of the day, you can think your way to success. Riches begin in the form of thought. The amount is limited only by the person in whose mind the thought is put into motion. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Originally published 1949. Value investing, buying stocks when they are undervalued and holding them for a long period of time, is the most effective way to put your money to work and a hallmark of Warren Buffett's investment strategy. But investing isn't about beating others at their game. It's about controlling yourself at your own game. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Originally published 1996. Discover the surprising secrets of America's wealthy in this insightful book. Stanley and Danko reveal that many millionaires live modestly and invest wisely, debunking the myths about flashy lifestyles. Learn practical habits and strategies that can help you accumulate wealth over time. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Originally published 2016. J.L. Collins offers straightforward, no-nonsense advice on investing and financial independence. This book emphasizes the importance of low-cost index fund investing and provides a clear, actionable plan for achieving financial freedom, making it accessible for readers at any stage of their financial journey. Financial Freedom by Grant Sabatier. Originally published 2019. Grant Sabatier shares his journey from broke to millionaire in just 5 years, offering practical tips and strategies for building wealth quickly. This book covers everything from side hustles to smart investing and is perfect for anyone looking to accelerate their path to financial independence. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Originally published 2020. Morgan Housel explores the complex relationship between people and money, highlighting the behavioral aspects of financial decision-making. Through engaging stories and timeless lessons, this book teaches you how to think more rationally about money and make better financial choices. And there you have it. The best books to read if you want to build wealth and gain financial independence. These timeless classics offer wisdom, strategies, and insights that can help you take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more great content from Verse and Volume. Share your favorite finance books in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Happy reading and happy investing!